In this video, I'm going to show how to play true co-op on Binding of Isaac Repentance. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I will pass the information on this version of the Binding of Isaac, but it is in process on any version of OST and Binding of Isaac. What I need to do is click on Workshop below Achievements. So click right here, and here you will see our workshop items. So I need to click right here on the search bar and search for True Space Co-op. You will see this item right here. Click on top. And here you need to subscribe to this item right here. So subscribe, come again to Relibrary and play the Binding of Isaac. Okay, after coming on Binding of Isaac, you click on any save. And here you need to click to on mods. Okay, so click on mods, press tab to enable your mods and enable true co-op. Then click on with the right button on the friend that you want to play the true co-op. Click remote play together to invite your friend, then play your run. Okay, click on continue ends or start a new run. Then you just need to ask your friend to press any button and he will select any character on the game. After that, you can play true co-op on Binding of Isaac Repentance with your friend. I hope I help you how to play true co-op on Binding of Isaac Repentance. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.